I get this question a lot these days. What is the difference between a TPM role and a PGM role? So let's start with what is PM? Is it a product management or program management? Okay, so in Google and Facebook, I'm aware of, maybe other companies, there are two letters primarily. One is product manager letter, that is PM, and TPGM letter, which is technical program management or program management letter. So don't get confused. TPM is actually technical program management. So you are a program manager that is expected to have a technical judgment as good as like a SWE or a little less senior SWE. So you are not expected to code in a TPM ladder, but you are expected to demonstrate your technical abilities and judgment during your performance evaluation. Whether you are having a dialogue with a software engineer, helping, taking some decisions, you are commenting or discussing about the design decisions, or maybe helping understand the dependencies across different teams. But yes, you have to demonstrate that you contributed technically towards that particular project. So this is the TPM role. There are other roles like project management. So management is about when you're handling one project that has a start and end date, definite scope, definite budget or cost to it. So that is project management. And if you're dealing with multiple projects with one single goal, then it's a program. So program manager is actually someone who is managing multiple projects, and technical program manager is the same program manager who is demonstrating technical judgment. It is not expected from a program manager though, but yes, from TPM it is. We'll not discuss product management role in this video because it's a different ladder, and I might not do justice to that, so I might invite others talk about product management. Think of it in this way, like if you're building an app, then manager is someone who is going out, understanding consumer needs, talking to users, talking to clients, and build a backlog of features. So the product manager is responsible for that. On other hand, program manager is a TPM or a PGM is responsible for owning the schedule, owning the accountability, calling out a risk when it is not going as per schedule. So you are a leader in that from that aspects. Communication is a big deal for a program manager or a TPM. If there is a risk, you have to call out. If there is a dependency, you have to ensure there is a communication channel. If things are not going as per budget or as per scope, you have to call that out. If there is a need to talk to different stakeholders at different levels, you have to, how to communicate to different stakeholders at different levels. On top of it, you are responsible for building a structure. When you are being assigned as a program manager to a team, you have to ensure how you would maybe doing a quarterly planning, or how would you do quarterly check-ins, or scrubbing on the backlog items, and how would you ensure that you are able to get things delivered, like predictive delivery is something that you will be evaluated on. So this is pretty much a program management role, and the TPM and T aspect of it is that you should be able to demonstrate that you are helping SWEs making right decisions, and you're able to connect the dots across functional teams, cross organization teams. You are like the well-educated, well-known person who is not just focusing on your own domain, but you are, or your own team, or on your product. You are aware of what is happening across in different teams for that particular domain. So this is a TPM and a PGM role primarily.